Hello, Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here today to share with you this little insert that I've put into my memory planner, created using the October, PaperPerson kit. So Sara Scraps and I are once again subscribing to PaperPerson, and I have decided to use these cards from the November kit and print them and use the digitals. So when you subscribe, you get the digitals as well. And the reason I've decided to use the digitals and print them is because I'm working in my memory planner, which is super bulky. And I love the thickness of the cards as they come printed, but it's too thick for in my memory planner. So I am working ahead. I'm still only on I just finished week 38, and this was actually from more recent. So this is actually November 2nd. Yeah, so pretty recent, last week. And so I decided that I would just do an insert for the date of these photos using this product because I'm not one to take pictures of myself, and I'm certainly not one to talk about what I'm wearing. I am a plain Jane. I like simple, comfortable clothing, but I wanted to document this particular outfit because it's sort of a tradition. It's a typical Suzanna outfit. And so what I'm doing is I'm creating a flap in the center of the book. And so I'm using the card that says what I wore. And this is this is sticky paper. This is sticker paper. And so I'm going to use that between the two cards that I'm going to create a pocket with to just insert into the center of the book there. I had toyed with the idea of sewing around the edges to create the pocket, because I find that if you have a tag that goes in and out, that's what's going to tell the story. It's just a whole lot cleaner to slide things in and out. When you have double-sided tape, it works, but things tend to snag on that tape if you push it into the tape. I then also toyed with sort of making a booklet out of it, but it was all just way too much given that a lot of the words are pushed right up to the edge. So this month with the kit, you get these stamps of all sorts of fun different things that may be in your closet, as well as some sort of clothing related phrases. So just in a really light gray, I am stamping a shirt and pants, a simple shirt, a t-shirt, and pants, because that's what I was wearing. So the reason I wanted to document this particular outfit is because the shirt that I'm wearing is a shirt that I bought at when I went to England to take care of my grand's estate, per se, not really an estate, but her house, and to close up her house and get it ready for sale. And we found money in the pockets of some of the clothing, and so then we had to go through all the clothing, and it was something that I bought from Marks and Sparks, and then I always wear a lab coat during half of the year, and the other half of the year I actually wear a fleece vest. And then I love these linen capri pants. So this is kind of a traditional Suzanna work outfit. So I have a photo close-up of myself in the fall leaves, and then I have a 3x4 photo that will go on the back of this journal card. So this is how I'm going to attach this to the book. So this is the sticker paper that will go sandwiched between the two cards. So you can see I've got one sticky side that's going to go down to the book, and then the other side, which will be covered by the photo, which then makes a pocket, because I'm going to use some double-sided adhesive, which I'm putting here. But you could see I created a little notch first so that you knew that this was a pocket. And so you knew, it doesn't say pull here, but you can see that with the notch, it's not the same as the photo. And so sort of indicative of kind of pull here. So there I've created the pocket. You can see the notch in the photo. So the full photo of the outfit on one side, and then a description of the photo on the other side, along with a close-up photo. Accessories is left blank in that little 3x4 card because I don't really wear accessories. So that is sort of the foundation there. The intent is that I can still add things events perhaps, or what we're watching or what we're reading, to the actual days itself. But that's just a little, it's a memorable outfit, not because it's particularly pretty or I spent a lot of money on it, but because it's a classic Suzanna outfit, and B, the shirt it has memories for me. So this is another one of the cards. Again, one that I printed on a thinner paper so that it wouldn't take up too much room in the book. And it just so happened, so this is total fluke, that little red spot dot there, it is actually going to fit perfectly into the little notch. And off camera, I forgot that I had these little Heidi Swap stickers that coordinated with this. There's a little, it just says '02 because that's the date. It was November. I keep wanting, yeah, November 2nd. So with the kit, you get these great stickers. Some have to do with wardrobe, and the other has to do more with memory keeping, or like days and dates. So that little orange one says wearing, and the blue one there says fall. And so super simple. I had thought about maybe putting a fall leaf on there, but that's from last month's kit and it was way too big. So I'm going to use this stripe, and I'm trying to get the yellow because the yellow is the header color on this particular week. And I'm not sure what colors are going to be predominantly used, but I at least wanted to get that yellow there. And I think this may actually determine my color palette, which might be that green, teal, light blue, and dark blue. But we'll see. I got plenty of time to figure that out. So that, my friends, is going to be my use of the PaperPerson kit. I don't know that I'm actually going to get much more out of it because I really am not a clothing person. So be sure to head over to Sara's YouTube channel. I'll link you in the description box down below and see what it is that she created. I know she will have something absolutely phenomenal. I can almost guarantee you that she used the stamps and she's going to stamp a background or something along those lines. That's my guess. Let's see if I'm right. So be sure to head over to her channel and see what it is that she has to share with you. And be sure to come back each month and check out what it is that we create with our PaperPerson kits. We really missed subscribing and are looking forward to working with them more. So yeah, there's a couple of close-ups, not many. Enjoy the close-ups. Thanks for stopping in today. Come back again soon. Take care.